Did you know anything about the PlayStation 5 fan lottery? You didn't know about it. Not all PlayStation 5s are created equal, and when you buy one, you're taking a chance. You don't know. Yeah, you don't know which components are going to be inside of your PlayStation 5.
Right.
And, I'm going to go a step further. You remember that little teardown video that you and I loved so much?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, you got the best fan in that one. You know that little review unit that you got sitting over there with a little Spider-Man on it from Sony directly? You know what fan that's got in it?
No.
Oh, you best believe it's got the nice one.
Oh.
But what about the regular everyday Joe? What does he get when he hits the pre-order? Oh, he gets the shoddy fan.
No.
Oh, yeah. Nah, I mean, I'm not saying it's shoddy, but there are different fans being used. That whole thing, I'm joking around. Relax. Sheesh. People getting all fired up out there.
Building some enemies here.
People getting all fired. Will's like, I got contacts.
Yeah.
Chill out, Lou. No, this is not uncommon when you're trying to meet this crazy demand. I mean, we've talked about it. Wireless radios and iPhones and screens from multiple suppliers.
Yep.
And this stuff happens. So you have fans from different manufacturers making their way into PlayStation 5s as Sony tries to meet this unprecedented demand for their new console.
Mm-hmm.
And so they ended up having 3 separate units. And this team at, I think this is a French publication, Le Numérique.
Oh.
I don't know if I'm saying it. You want to take a shot at that?
I think you said it right.
You want to take a shot at that?
Le Numérique.
Where's your French, Will? Call yourself Canadian. Yeah. You had to take French until grade 8?
I think around there.
Till grade 8, you got to take French. Yeah. And I don't know about my retention, but I got a little bit left in there.
Let's give us a sample there.
Je m'appelle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Qu'est-ce que tu, s'il vous plaît, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not much.
That's enough.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Good job.
Shout out to French Canada. Haven't visited in a while, but
hopefully soon.
Montreal, man. You know, the old part of Montreal. Get yourself a baguette or something. Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Do you know anything about baguettes?
Not really. No.
Really?
Well,
I seen you with a baguette every so often.
Yeah, in Vietnamese.
Yeah, where do you think it came from? Came from France.
It did, yes.
Exactly.
The inspiration. Great sandwich, though. The banh mi.
Yeah, I know. You didn't. I was hoping you would bring me one sometime. But
yeah, one day.
Maybe if I play my cards right.
Yeah, if you're lucky, like this lottery here.
People are figuring out, this publication and others, that some of these fan units that they're using are louder than others. There's like a premium fan unit, a lottery fan unit, which is nice and quiet. And then there's one that's a little bit louder, and then there's one that's the loudest. Now, I don't know how loud, because chances are, and I haven't opened up the unit we have, but chances are we had a premium fan in ours, not just because it's a review unit, because it's an earlier unit. Mm-hmm. So it would have been from the initial supply, less likely. So they took apart a total of 5 PS5 consoles and revealed that 2 of them had what they classified as the quieter fan, and 3 had the louder fan. And they were 2 distinctly different cooling fans. Actually, if you look at the image below, they look quite a bit different. So the way the fins are set in there, yeah, it's quite a bit different in the center portion. And if you look at the one from the official video, it's, again, a different one from the other 2. As you can see, at least the center cap looks to be a slightly different design. So there's a few different fans getting pumped into these things. Now, when we say different, I mean they meet the same specification. They have to be the same scale to go in there, but presumably some of the internal components that are going to be impacting the amount of noise would have to be slightly different on each one of these. So it's a curious, not a lottery that I ever imagined you'd be playing, but it's not unprecedented in the tech space. I remember, as I mentioned before, with iPhones and things like this, people would be looking at part numbers and revision to try to get the one that they wanted, with the right chipset. And this is a while back. I remember it
Right.
was the wireless radios where the Qualcomm stuff was outperforming the Intel stuff. This is ages ago.
Oh yeah.
I'm 76 years old.
Exynos and Qualcomm.
That's
the
Samsung.
same thing.
Samsung, same
Yeah,
thing,
yeah.
but that's regional. So
Oh.
if you're here in North America and the Europeans hate this fact, they're yelling, they scream at me all the time. Talk about it, Lou. The fact that we can't get the Snapdragon
Yeah.
easily. And yeah, I don't know about Samsung's strategy on that. Although my understanding, Samsung is making some significant progress with their upcoming stuff.
Oh, okay.
That is going to really properly challenge the Snapdragon stuff. So we'll have to wait and see. Maybe it's going to be the other way around. North Americans going to be
Yeah,
complaining.
we're jealous.